Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today's topic, we're going to be covering personal excess flood coverage. My name is Carly Rahm. I'm the marketing representative for Griffin Underwriting. Just to go over a quick agenda, I'll go over some history about Griffin Underwriting Services, otherwise known as GUS, some advantages to placing policies with us, product highlights, and how to quote in the binding process. As with each tutorial, I'll end with a contact slide if you have any questions or need any further assistance down the road. So Griffin Underwriting was founded in 1928. We still are family owned and operated by the Griffin family. We were one of the first surplus lines brokers in our region to be granted binding authority by Lloyd's of London. We have just over 100 employees throughout 3 different offices in the Pacific Northwest. We offer solutions for personal lines, commercial lines, brokerage, transportation, and surety. We've written over $95 million in premium to date, and we are licensed in all 50 states, including the District of Columbia, allowing us to work with agents nationwide. Some advantages to placing policies with us: we work with over 180 different carriers company-wide. All of them are rated AM Best, A- or better. All of our products, we strive to offer competitive rates. We do have some online payment options, and we are dedicated to providing great customer service for each one of our teams. When we're talking about excess flood, it is a follow-form contract wording. High maximum limits, we can offer all the way up to $10 million for total insured value for personal lines. Our high maximum limits up to a total insured value of the underlying policy for commercial. Some rates, as with PCIS, are on expiring policies. We offer the same rates. We do have 3 different markets that are available, and we can write excess in all flood zones. When we're talking about the binding process, so you want the completed excess flood application. We can typically accept any carrier's application. We need proof of primary insurance, either a copy of the deck page or the primary flood quote. We need a copy of the elevation certificate for flood zones A through V as in Victor. We do need a diligent search letter. Typically these aren't required for the state of Florida or Washington state. We do need premium payment, and you can send all of this in to submissions@gogus.com, or you can fax it in. You can, if you've been working directly with an underwriter, you can also send this directly to the underwriter. To the right of the screen, you'll see an example of our application. Our applications are available on our website, www.gogus.com. You're going to log in using your agency ID and password. And then you're going to go to internet quoting. We do have capabilities to quote online in most states. It's a drop-down menu. You're going to go to personal lines, and you're going to select the personal umbrella. You can also get a quote over the phone, 888-875-5219. If you have any questions or need any additional assistance, please don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. For those Allstate agents, you can email csr@gogus.com, or for the non-Allstate agents, info@gogus.com. Again, my name is Carly. I'm the marketing representative. If there's anything I can help you with, please do let me know. We just want to say thank you so much for working with us. We appreciate your business, and we look forward to working with you more in the future. Have a great day.